How to make public profile on Snapchat. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your public profile on your Snapchat account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your Snapchat app. From here, make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account, then tap onto your Bitmoji on your top left. At this page, if you scroll below, you will see an option that says My Public Profile. If you don't see this option under your profile, then here is what you can do to make it visible. Tap onto your settings on your top right, and under privacy control, tap on Contact Me. Make sure that you have toggled on the option that says Friends and Contacts. Here tap on View My Story and tap on Friends Only or Public if the option of Public shows up. Tap on See Me in Quick Add and check the box. Now, once you have done all that, you will be able to see that option under your profile. And that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.